What is gluten and how does it hide in foods? Imagine biting into a slice of bread or a chewy piece of pasta and feeling that satisfying stretch. That texture comes from a special protein complex called gluten. But what exactly is gluten? Gluten is a group of storage proteins found mainly in wheat, barley, rye, and hybrids like triticale. In wheat, the two main proteins that make up gluten are glutenin and gliadin. When flour from these grains is mixed with water, these proteins combine to form a stretchy, elastic network called gluten. This network gives dough its characteristic elasticity and chewiness. It also traps gas produced by yeast, helping bread rise and keep its shape. Now, gluten is not just in obvious foods like bread and pasta. It can be hidden in many processed and packaged foods because of its functional properties. Gluten acts as a binder, stabilizer, thickener, and moisture-retaining agent. This improves the texture, flavor, and shelf life of many products. For example, gluten can be found in sauces, soups, salad dressings, processed meats, candies, and even some medications and supplements. Since gluten comes from wheat, barley, rye, and related grains, any ingredient containing these grains or their derivatives can have gluten. Common examples include wheat flour, malt made from barley, brewer's yeast, and certain starches. Cross-contamination during food processing can also introduce gluten into foods labeled gluten-free. This is why reading ingredient lists carefully is so important. Gluten can be disguised under many names or hidden in additives. For those living gluten-free, understanding where gluten hides helps avoid accidental exposure. Gluten's protein structure resists digestion in some people, especially those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Even small amounts can cause health issues. So, avoiding gluten means being vigilant about ingredients and food sources. In short, gluten is a protein complex that gives structure and elasticity to dough and many foods. But it can also be hidden in a wide range of processed products because of its binding and texturizing properties. Knowing where gluten can be found and how it functions helps you manage a gluten-free diet successfully. Staying informed and reading labels carefully are key steps in living well without gluten.